often find critters like this one. But here he is. It's going to take Project Noah for me to figure out what he is. Obviously he's a lizard, but now what kind? I don't know. Now, he's a little bugger. I've done this all my life. Looking around everywhere I go and, well, finding God's creatures. Even in the middle of nowhere. You're watching Nature Nowhere with Nathan Caldwell. I want to try and get him from the front, but he doesn't really want to be seen from the front. What are you? What are you? Phil? What are you? There's another one. There's another one. It's another one. Oh, that's a brilliant. Not usually able to get that close. Was kinda happy to do it. Hi, buddy. It's kind of odd. I don't see this very as often as I guess would normally be. This is a slug. Basically a shell without a snail without the shell.
Just let me know when you got him. My husband is spotter killer.
Sometimes the things you can find in nature are awesome. No, you don't want to. I just wish I could see the. Wish I could see the front of the booger though, without hitting his web. It's moving.